Today we are replacing the battery on the Samsung Galaxy S20 model SMG981B. Before we begin, make sure your phone is powered off. Now we'll set it on the heat plate for about 5 minutes. I always use a single-sided razor blade or a thin prying tool to carefully create a gap. Then slide the guitar pick around the edges to release the back cover. Then we will cover the camera lenses from dust and fingerprints. Now we will unscrew several screws, securing the internal brackets. Out of habit, I started unscrewing the very top cover screws, but a quick tip, you can actually leave those top screws in. They don't need to come out to access the battery. Instead, focus on the screws holding down the motherboard bracket and the wireless charging coil. Carefully remove those. Then gently lift the bracket out to reveal the connectors underneath. Safety first, always disconnect the battery cable before doing anything else, using a plastic spudger to pop the connector off. Samsung batteries are held down by some pretty tough adhesive. I'm using a few drops of high concentrated isopropyl alcohol to loosen it up. And I will also use some heat for a couple of minutes. Now I'll use a plastic spudger to loosen the battery. Never use a metal tool, because that can be dangerous. With the old battery out, clear away any leftover adhesive. I'm using an original Samsung battery, so I will be able to calibrate it later in a self-repair tool from Samsung. I will place the battery, check if everything's working, and connect it to make it sure if it's seated right before we will connect it. Definitely. Now we will check what the Samsung Member app says. Samsung Members apps is still showing us that there's a battery issue detected. Remember, if you like content like this, please subscribe and like this video. Here I will screw back the screws that I took out, the upper screws that are not needed to be unscrewed. Here we will calibrate the battery with the phone. I took a picture with my phone of the QR code on the battery, and that's worked great to calibrate the battery. I actually did that off camera, and I was trying to get that shot on camera again, but yeah, the calibration was already done, so it wouldn't let me, but that was basically the step I did. And as you can see, it turned out great. No, that's only optional. It's not something you need to do in order to make the phone work. No, yeah, it's up to you. Now we'll take the battery out, remove all the plastic coverings, and we will place battery back permanently now. Always make sure to connect the battery first before applying force on the battery to make sure the battery connects. Then connect all the other connectors first, and as last the battery. The adhesive on the back cover is still in good condition, and it will be okay to reuse it again. Just make sure to apply no force on the edges. And that's all for this video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching. Until next time.